Hey guys from the Thoughtful Gardener, you can see that someone is having the time of their life eating my kohlrabi, and they're starting on my mustards. So we're going to try 3 different techniques here. I know who the culprits are, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do about it because I garden organically. So one way is diatomaceous earth. This is food grade diatomaceous earth, so we're going to sprinkle some of this around the plants that they are attacking, and hopefully that is going to keep the critters from trying to eat them. Obviously we don't eat kohlrabi leaves, but we want the bulbs to produce, and the only way to get done is for it to not be eaten. You got to have fuel, and the leaves create enough fuel for photosynthesis. So the next thing we're going to do is we're taking a potato, slicing it in half. In the morning we'll recheck these potatoes, and that will see who is visiting. I already know the answer to that because I have put the potatoes out the last couple nights, and there's quite a few critters that are actually attacking the kohlrabi, but it's been kind of miserable weather here, so not been able to film. And then the third technique we're going to use is the old beer technique. So if you've got a stale beer, you can do this, and what you want to do is take a lid, and then we're going to cover it up, but you see I've cut some holes in this so that we can allow these guys in. And what we're going to do is take this stale beer right here, and we're going to pour it into that lid. I don't drink beer, for the record, and a friend's companies gave us those for Christmas, and it's very nice, but none of my friends really drink beer either. So we've brought that down to ground level so whoever can get in there, but I'm going to make sure that nobody else who we don't want to have beer gets it. So we will check back in the morning and report in to see what we got.